When was the last time you did something for the last time? When was the last time you turned hopelessness into hopeful? When was the last time you left what's left to leave behind, causing things to go left once one would find? When was the last time you cleaved unto yourself in order to cleave unto something greater? When was the last time you, whether or not, to weather the storm ahead? When was the last time you used your pupils as pupils to see yourself through them? When was the last time you did something for the last time? When was the last time you could count the people you count on? When was the last time you grew accustomed to a custom you weren't accustomed to? When was the last time you were the model to model for someone else? When was the last time you apologized for an apology that wasn't apologetic? When was the last time you helped yourself to help others from helping themselves? When was the last time you were so wounded you wound up and wounded someone else? When was the last time you did something for the last time? Birds of a feather flock together.